students in a series of decimals. Today's topic is multiplication of decimals by decimal numbers. We have learned how to multiply a decimal number by multiple of 10 and how by counting numbers. And today we are going to learn how to multiply decimal numbers by decimal numbers. So here is your question: 21.05 multiplied by 0.8. Both are decimal numbers. 21.05 is also a decimal number and 0.8 is also a decimal number. So rule will be same. We will multiply just like a simple multiplication and we will ignore the decimal sign first. So it means we will write this 21.05, 21.05 and 0.8 and we will multiply this, but we will ignore this decimal point in both the decimal numbers first. So when we will ignore this, then it is just like a simple 2105 and this is just 8, number 8. So we will multiply this number by 8. Simple multiplication. So how we will multiply? 8 5s are 40. We will write 0 here, 4 as carry. Then 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4, 4. So we will write 4 here. Then 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. So it is our multiplication, a simple multiplication. Now we will observe decimal places. In this first decimal number, 2 decimal places, and in 0.8, 1 decimal place. So total decimal places should be in product 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 decimal places should be in this product. So just count 3 digits from one's place. 1, 2, 3, and we will put decimal here. So your answer is 16.840. It is very simple. Let us do one more question. Here is your question. There are two decimal numbers, 89.65 and 6.8. So we will multiply these numbers just by ignoring decimal points. So we will write 89.65 and 6.8 and we will multiply, but we will ignore the decimal point and we will multiply simply. So at first we will multiply by this 8. 8 5s are 40. We will write 0 here, 4 as carry, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 4 52, we'll write 2 here, 5 as carry, 8 9 are 72 plus 5 77, we will write 7 here, 7 as carry, 8 8 are 64, 64 plus 7 equals to 71, so we'll write 71 here. Now we will write a cross and then we will multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30, we will write 0 here, 3 as carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39, we will write 9 here, 3 as carry, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3 57, we'll write 7 here, 5 as carry, 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 5 equals to 53, so we will write 53 here. Now we will add 0, 2 plus 0 equals to 2, 9 plus 7 equals to 16, we'll write 6 here, and 1 we will add in this 7 plus 1 which is 9. Then 7 plus 3 equals to 10, we'll write 0 here and 1 as carry, so we will add in 5, this is 6. Now we will consider the decimal point at this stage. In this first decimal number, 2 decimal places, and in this 6.8, 1 decimal place. So total 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So in product there should be 3 decimal places. So we will count from this digit 1, 2, 3 and we will put decimal point here. It means our answer is 609.620. Now let us do one more question so that this concept will be crystal clear to you. 1.035 multiplied by 16.3. So at first we will write this 1.035 16.3 and we will multiply. Remember, we will multiply just by ignoring the decimal point. So at first we will multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. We'll write 5 here. 1 as carry. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. We will write 0 here. 1 as carry. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. 3 ones are 3. Then we will write cross here and we will start from this tens place. 6 5s are 30. We will write 0 here. 3 as carry. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. We'll write 1 here, 2 as carry, 6 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 6 ones are 6. Now, this 1 is at hundreds place. So what we will do, we will put cross at ones place and tens place, and we will start from here. So we will multiply this number by 1. 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1s are 1. Now we will add all. 5, 0 plus 0 equals to 0, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 6, and here 1. Now we will consider decimal places. In this first number, 3 decimal places. In the second number, 1 decimal places. So 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So in product, there should be 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We will put decimal point here like this. So our answer is 16.8705. Now let us do one more question. 0.3 multiplied by 0.4 multiplied by 0.02. You know, it is very easy. How? We will multiply just by ignoring decimal point. And after that, we will count the decimal places and we will put decimal in our final product. So in this first decimal number, there is one decimal place. In the second 0.4, again one decimal place. In 0.02, two decimal places. So in product there should be how many decimal places? 2 plus 1 plus 1. It means 4 decimal places should be in product. But what is the product? So at first we will multiply these numbers just by ignoring decimal point. It means we will multiply 3 by 4 by 2. 3 multiply 4 multiply 2. And what is the answer of this? 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 is the answer. Now what we will do, we need to put decimal. In product there should be 4 decimal places, but here are only 2 digits. So what we will do, we will add 0 this side. So we will add 1 0. Now there are 3 places. One more places we should create by adding one more 0. So now 4 places. Now we can put decimal here and we will put 1 0 here. So our product is 0.0024 and it has 4 decimal places. Let us do one more question of this type. 0.1 multiply by 0.02 multiply by 0.003 multiply by 0.004. In this first decimal number 0.1, there is one decimal place. In 0.02, two decimal places. In 0.003, three decimal places, and in 0.004 again three decimal places. It means in our answer there should be 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. 9 decimal places should be in our product. So let us find out the product. At first we will multiply these numbers just by ignoring decimal point. It means we should multiply 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 and our answer is 24 after multiplying this just by ignoring decimal point. Now we should create 9 decimal places. How we will create this? There are 2 digits, so we will add 0 here. Now 3 places, add one more 0, 4 places, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now count the places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 places. Now we will put decimal here and we will put 1 0. So our answer is this 0.00000024 and it has 9 decimal places. It is our final answer. Very easy to do. Now another type of questions are very easy and my favorite type of questions. Why? If 59 multiply 8.7 equals to 513.3, it is already given to you that if we multiply 59 by 8.7, the product is this. Then find the product of each of the following without performing multiplication. Now we need to find out the answer of these questions just without doing multiplication. How we can do? Just observe this and observe this question. Digits are same. Here is 59, here is 5.9, here is 8.7, here is also 8.7. Digits are same. Difference is of just decimal places. So what we need to do, answer will be same. Difference will be of decimal places. So how we will write this answer 5133. Now we have to put decimal point. So here in this decimal number 1 decimal place, and in this 8.7 1 decimal place. So total decimal places will be 1 plus 1 equals to 2 decimal places. So we will count from here 1, 2, and we will put decimal here. It means our answer is 51.33. Let us do one more question of this type. 0.59 multiplied by 0.87. Just observe this and this. Digits are same. So here 2 decimal places, and in this number 0.87 2 decimal places. It means total decimal places should be 4 in product. So at first we will write this same digits 5133, and because decimal places should be 4, so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will put decimal here, and here we will put 1 0 also. So our answer is 0.5133. Very simple. Let us do one more so that things will be clear. 0.059 multiply 0.0087. Now here 3 decimal places and here 4 decimal places. It means there should be 7 decimal places in our answer. So what we will do, we will write 5133 first. Now we will count decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4. They are just 4. We need to add 3 zeros here. So we will add 3 zeros 1, 2, 3. So now how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7 decimal places should be in product. It means we will put decimal here and here 1 0. So our answer is 0.000513. Very simple. Now, one word problem is very important. So, Alok weighs 50.87 kilogram. His father is 1.5 times heavier than him. Calculate his father's weight. So, what is given to you? First thing is Alok's weight is given to you. That is 50.87 kilogram. And his father's weight equals to 1.5 times of Alok weight. It means 50.87 multiplied by 1.5. So we need to find out this. We need to multiply these two decimal numbers, and it is very easy. I have already taught you. 50.87 multiplied by 1.5, and we will multiply just by ignoring decimal point first. So we will multiply 5 sevens are 35. We will write 5 here, 3 as carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 3 43. We will write 3 here, 4 as carry, 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4 4, 5 5s are 25. Now we will put one cross here and we will multiply by 1. So what will be? 1 sevens are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5, and we will add. So it is 5. 7 plus 3 10, so we will write 0 here, and 1 we will put as carry, and we will add in 8 plus 4, which is 13. We'll write 3 here, 1 as carry, so it is 6, and 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now we will count decimal points, decimal places. So here 1 and 2 decimal places, and in this number 1.5 1 decimal place, and in answer, in product, there should be 2 plus 1. It means 3 decimal places should be there. So we will count 1, 2, 3, and we will put decimal here. So it is 76.305. It means his father's weight equals to 76.305 kilogram. Always remember that in any word problem, units are very important. So, my dear students, if you will face any problem in mathematics, what you need to do? You need to just do practice and you can solve any problem. Goodbye.